Yes.
So first, we will turn it on.
Oh, wow. Okay. Turn it
Philips,
off.
hi Philips. Then, magre-rinse pa yan eh. Kaya lang na-rinse na kanina.
Cleaning.
Oo, put the paper cup or mugs you want.
Okay.
Then, please select drink. This is our drink. Espresso, coffee, Americano. This with milk. This is the milk. We will put here the milk. But we don't have milk. So, I will choose coffee.
You don't want espresso?
Coffee. And then, I will choose how the water level, this one.
Water level?
Yeah, this second arrow is the water level.
Okay.
Choose here. Up.
Up or down?
I don't know. You have to press this one to move here. This is the water level, 150 ml. If you want high, more, like that. Lesser. So we'll go to 150. Next is the number of cups you want. This 1 cup only. If you want 2 cups, press this one. So 2 cups na siya. But you want coffee?
No.
So I will choose 1 cup only.
Okay.
Then, okay.
Then,
Brew.
brew.
This one. See?
That's all.